Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're not able to scroll in Microsoft Excel, then watch this video. The first thing we need to do is to turn off the scroll lock in Microsoft Excel. So we'll open Microsoft Excel and then we will right click on this black pane which is part of Microsoft Excel window. Right click on it and we will make sure that this is ticked. Scroll lock is off. Then the next thing we need to make sure is that the panes are unfreezed. So we'll select the panes and we will go to view here. Once we go to that, we'll look for freeze panes and then drop it down. If there are panes which are frozen, then we need to click on unfreeze panes and then we should be able to use the scroll function. Another thing we need to make sure is to disable the zoom on roll with IntelliMouse. So for that, we will click on the file, go to options, and then here we will look for advanced, and then we need to make sure in the editing options this box is unchecked, zoom on roll with IntelliMouse. Now once that is over, we will need to check one more thing and we need to go to display options with this workbook. So here it is, display options with this workbook. We need to make sure that show horizontal scroll bar is checked and show vertical scroll bar is checked. Then click on OK and the scroll function should be able to work on your Excel sheet. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.